Amakhosi Nation were left disappointed after Kaizer Chiefs suffered a narrow defeat at home to Steve Barker's high-flying Stellenbosch FC side. Stellenbosch FC retained their spot second place after beating the Glamour Boys 1-0 at the F&B Stadium on Tuesday evening. This loss to Stellenbosch is the Amakhosi's eighth of the current league season, as the Soweto Giants remain in a lowly seventh place on the DStv Premiership table. Amakhosi last win came in early March with 1-0 victory at home over Golden Arrows, with Kevin Johnson's outfit only managing to win one of their last 5 matches and are currently on 3-match winless run. Steve Barker's side, on the other hand, made 3 wins in their last 4 league outings, seeing them continue their late push to CAF Champions League qualification. Stellenbosch got their solitary goal on the stroke of half-time after the right-back Dino van Rooyen played in Devin Titus with a top pass from the right flank, and informed Titus stepped the ball past an advancing Vuma into the bottom left corner of the net from tight angle to see the winger register his 6th goal of the season. After showing confidence in their team's chances of grabbing all 3 points, the most predicting a 2-1 win, the Khosi Nation were incredibly disappointed with the effort shown by the players on the day. People reacted on social media, and one said, "We didn't play as we expected, and the team can't even complete 10 straight passes. It's very disappointing. I think the team and the coach need to go back to the drawing board, because on the 30th of April, I don't think we can survive against Sundowns." Another one said, "Tomorrow, they must sit down and give this coach for him to resign and go home. We have to find a new coach, that's it." Another one said, "We don't have a team. That's the only thing that I can say." As Kaizer Chiefs supporter, I must say that this team should just go to Kluokop just to camp for 3 weeks, maybe to learn 2 or 3 things from Sundowns players, because what we've played here, it's an embarrassment. We can't be losing game after game as Kaizer Chiefs. Another disappointed fan said, "At Kaizer Chiefs, they have this arrogance. They don't care about what we as supporters think or say. We can say everything and talk everywhere and all over social media, but at the end of the day, Chiefs is just a store. They sell clothes, that's all. That's all they care about. We just come to the stadiums, sing and spend our hard-earned money. They don't care about us." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.